Climbing together with Galinde on the mountain or at any mountain is always a big pleasure for me. Galinde is very strongly motivated, and this always pushes also me a lot forward. She's very enthusiastic, she's all the time happy, she is never in bad mood, and she, even if we have to break trail very slowly in deep conditions, she's always positive.
I knew Ralph already since 1999 when there was the live climb in television from Eiger North Face. I was watching the whole 33 hours in television, so I knew about Ralph already. In 2002, I went to Manaslu. There was a big German team also. I went to the tent to ask where is Ralph, just to introduce myself, to say hello. And then they told me he's in the kitchen tent, and I went there and opened the tent, and there were 4 people inside, and everybody looked very dark with a beer, so I could not imagine who is Ralph. And I asked, is there Ralph maybe? And then Ralph said, yes, I am Ralph, and I just said hello, and that I'm also here.
Suddenly the door or the entrance of the tent was opening, and a beautiful girl was standing there. And I was really, it was like the sun was going up for me. And she said, hello, I'm Galinde, and I just want to introduce myself. I came a little after you. We are also now here on the mountain. I asked her if she would like to have a cup of tea, but she refused and said, no, I'm on my way towards Camp 1. I want to look how the way is up. She closed the door and she was gone. Hallo.
Dankeschön.
Bitteschön.
Dankeschön.
Heute.
Oh.
Hallo.
Hallo. Wie war's?
I remember I had the short skis, and I skied down from Camp 1, and Ralph was making pictures from me. And so it was a little embarrassing because I don't know. And I stopped and I shook his hand and said hello, and he was very friendly and happy, laughing. And he gave me a compliment that I'm a good skier like this. It was funny. And when we tried the summit, we started from base camp. We had a lot of snow, you know. We had to break trail the whole time very deep, and only Ralph and me were left for breaking tail, and I had the feeling we worked very, very well together, and we were happy.
We started to change, first Galinde, then me, then again Galinde, then me. And finally only Galinde and me were breaking trail, and all the men were far behind. And we were just enjoying to break trail together. And I really saw how strong Galinde was. Everybody was tired. All the tents I picked up together with Galinde, she just was helping because it was natural for her to help. And this was very nice.
And then in Camp 3, I remember we were sitting outside. It was a very beautiful evening. We were just sitting and talking together after establishing the dance, and it was a very nice moment.
Well, this was really the moment when I was thinking, wow, this is the woman of my life.
Okay, want to go? Okay. Kazan çok önemli oturdu. Aşında
We missed the camels.
Look at this shot. Yeah.
This or this. This is also one part danger avalanche.
We will see it tomorrow.
Mixed like this now, like on the
We
photo.
go this one.
Okay, snow, more or less.
Rock and the snow.
Snow.
And the anchors are rock pigeons,
Yes.
probably already inside.
Yeah.
Probably.
We used it before, old rope, and make new rope.
Okay. One question: how steep is this part? Here looks almost vertical. 80?
No,
80 degrees?
67.
No, no, tak.
that's like
60, 70?
This is upside.
These days, third and fourth, that minus 20 degree line is quite far downside until 6,000 meter, and then really getting warm, you see, minus 10, minus 20, going up very much. Precipitation, fifth and sixth, almost, not almost, but nothing.
Till now the weather is not so good, but tomorrow we start for Camp 1, and the day after it looks quite well, so I hope that we can fix the next days to Camp 2 would be great. Now we are ready to start. Geht's gut, Ralf?
if there is a couple who love each other, it's so nice to share all these beautiful moments, the hard moments of course also, but the beautiful moments like coming up to a nice spot, enjoying the view together, like for example here on K2, when we come up to this rock shoulder after a difficult rock climbing part, then standing up there and enjoying the view outside the K2 glacier, this steepness of the route, and really to be able to share these moments. This is something very, very nice, which I enjoy a lot and which gave me a new dimension of climbing.
Маме под мехом не нравится, я не могу. Ну, у меня тоже есть.
If ever possible, we take all decisions together. Sometimes we have different ways of view, but we find always a way together. And on the mountain, there's never a problem. We share all the work we have to do. For example, Ralph is very, very good in orientation. It's amazing. When there is a big fog, he finds always the right way. Cooking in high camps, Ralph is always taking care of the breakfast, because I like sleeping a little bit longer. And in the afternoon, when we reach a place where we make a platform and put our tent, then I'm cooking, because I like very much cooking in the afternoon, and Ralph can relax. And so in any case we are a real, I think, a very, very good team. Mm-hmm. Today it was again a very hard day, like yesterday when we climbed up from Camp 1 to Camp 2. We climbed almost 12 hours. We slept very few because Ralph had very bad dreams, but we made it. We have done a very good teamwork, I think. For me, this makes me also very strong, because we are a real good, strong and happy team. This now and then right. No?
Yes, no, one rope. And after to the beach. Beach without, I think, without rope.
If we are on different expeditions, it has happened sometimes when I was on Dhaulagiri and Ralph on Makalu, or Ralph on Manaslu and I was on Dhaulagiri. Yes, of course, we think about each other, and we hope and pray very much that the others stay fine and is in good health. There is, of course, a strong feeling that, yes, of course, I am worried about Ralph, and Ralph is worried about me. But it's also important to have a good confidence to the partner. I think I feel a good confidence in Ralph, and Ralph feel a good confidence in me. At their time on Annapurna, I was roped, Ralph belayed me, and then I heard just the big ice coming down from up. I was on my ice axe and I heard that big ice coming, and Ralph was just crying, "Galinde, jump, jump." And then I just jumped back, and Ralph kept me on the rope. Nothing happened, but then Ralph decided for him it's too dangerous to continue, and the next morning he will climb down.
Even during nighttime, I still remember how the lamp lights I could see going up, and I followed each of their steps. It was an endless night for me. Finally, when they decided to come down, I really was very released and felt happy. Even with or without summit, I did not mind about whether summit or not. I was just happy that they came down.
We were very, very happy that we survived Annapurna. You know, it's a very dangerous mountain and we had a lot of luck.
And there are times I decided, if Galinde goes to K2, I will join her, because I cannot sit somewhere quietly and know she is in difficult situation or she's climbing, giving her very best, and I'm just sitting downside and, and doing nothing. There's no coffee left, you would like, but we had just your muesli from yesterday. Thank you. And we had one cup of tea each. Now I'm preparing the...
We took some rules that if in future will happen like this, that one person, one part of us like to continue and the other like to go down, that we should keep a decision and to do what we have decided.
Alles gut.
Dankeschön.
Жаль, подмога не пришла, подкрепление не прислали. Нас осталось только два, нас с тобою наебали. Все братушки полегли с патронами напряжно, но мы держим рубежи, сражаемся отважно.
For 7,000 meters, it shows about the same. It's also, this is daily routine. Afternoon more wind, morning time less wind. But it also shows around this 20th.
Today is 11, right?
Today is 11, yes.
Yeah.
The maximum should be on around the 17th.
It's the
And then it's coming down again.
Perfect.
Lindy, you should not break the tent.
No, no.
Dann machen wir es jetzt mal so. Dann starten wir morgen und legen einen Ruhetag ein und hätte den dann auch noch zur Verfügung, wenn sich jetzt irgendwie vom Modell noch mal was ändern sollte, hinsichtlich Samstag eventuell doch besser. Charlie, ganz lieben Dank vom ganzen Team hier.
Dankeschön. And tomorrow still?
Tomorrow is still possible that we have some precipitation, but not very much. We have to start in not so nice weather. But
Хотя Самойлов он потерял в Непале. Ничего.
Quite a lot of snow.
oh, gesund. White chocolate. 3 o'clock we talk. Okay.
One day.
But if it continues snowing and no clear and warm, we don't go.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock we speak. Eric, I'm not happy to start. I start because Galinde wants to start. But the situation is really shitty. It's dangerous, the avalanche is going down.
We just, I don't know, I really don't know.
Stupid to go.
In the morning, Ralph had big doubts that we should start, and I felt that if we don't start now, we lose our chance. We should start.
Макс, здесь нет веревки. Слева открой.
And we broke trail, the first quite steep slope to the traverse. Suddenly Ralph decided stop for him, he will return, it's too dangerous for him. We had a quite strong discussion about going or not going, and then, like it happened already sometimes, we went separate, Ralph went down. Yep. Okay. 12 Uhr ist gut, kommen.
Okay, 12 Uhr. Die ganze Telefonate mache ich. Die ganze Geld, das ist da, ich bin gut. Und auch noch was
Ciao,
Ciao, tschüss.
tschüss, schlaf gut. Ich lieb dich auch. Ciao. Best greetings and from Ralph and Tommy, they are on the halfway to ABC now already, and he says that we should really take care and don't make a mistake. We should be good mood because the wind has to come down sure. Charlie said it comes down sure, but maybe a little later we continue.
Minimal, Galindi, ihr kriegt das Mega-Wetter.
Hoffentlich. Wir sind ein bisschen skeptisch, weil heute haben wir natürlich gehofft, dass wir weniger Wind haben und es war orkanartiger Sturm, also mindestens 70 Stundenkilometer. Wir haben echt uns alle total überwinden müssen. Kommen?
Ja, ich verstehe es. Aber jetzt glaubt dran, es wird gut. Ich sehe im Moment der obere Teil, also ich sehe der ganze Nordpfeiler und der obere Teil vom K2 ist relativ braun. Also oben die Felsen, das ist alles schon wieder ziemlich braun kommen.
Ja, super, das hoffen wir immer auch, dass der Wind zumindest den Neuschnee rausblasen hat. Zum Teil sind wir echt wieder hüfttief im Schnee gesteckt und bei den Felsen ist dann wieder gut gegangen, aber nie unter knietief. Kommen? I have cold feet. And you? It was really hard to keep the spirit high. I don't know, because of the long bad weather period. And this morning, when I went out, it was really like a present, no? No clouds and beautiful weather. And I felt really very much that now maybe we are over this bad situation and now comes the very good one, and now we have the good one, and now we hopefully can take this chance. It would be so fantastic if we could reach the summit.
What's happened with my harness?
Hallo Ralf. Du Ralf, wir starten jetzt um 7 erst. Wir sind um 1:30 in der Früh losgestartet und haben dann umdrehen müssen, weil es einfach zu kalt war. Wir haben alle die Zehen nicht mehr gespürt und jetzt sind wir einigermaßen warm und jetzt starten wir dann kommen. Leider Ralf, ich höre die nicht, nur Rauschen kommen. Okay, ich versuch's wirklich, dich dann um 9:30 Uhr zu kontaktieren, aber versprechen kann ich es nicht. Bitte mach dir deswegen keine Sorgen. Kommen. Ciao, Ende. Okay. He says it looks like a perfect day and if we and hopefully we feel strong enough. And all the best.
I'm so deeply fulfilled to stay here now after so many tries, so many years. It's really a fulfilling moment for me to reach the top of K2 from the North Pillar. It was very hard all the days now, and now it's just amazing. I don't find the right words. If you see all this, I think everybody can understand why we do this, and I'm just so happy. I cannot explain. And I could share this moment also with Ralph by walkie-talkie. He's in base camp, and I'm just very thankful to the universe and to everybody who was thinking of us or who are still thinking of us and kept the fingers crossed. And now we have really very much take care to come down safe, because we have no fixed rope here and it's very steep.
I saw that he was just happy with us. He did not mind that he could not reach the summit. Of course, he had already. He was just happy that we made it and we are all back safe. And this was the real summit, down in deposit, down in base camp.
I think Galinda was enjoying every single second, every single moment up there, and this was for me the biggest joy to understand that she was really at the place where she was looking for many years and really was hardworking.